my YouTube friends. Today I would like to show you how to do this surreal but still nice arrangement. I would not call it flower arrangement because I don't have any flowers. Instead, I have vegetables, greens and mushrooms. Let's get started. Okay, let's now go over the vegetables and other items I would need for this arrangement. I will have a few baby bok choy here, 5 of them. And I already inserted barbecue skewers, short ones. Then I will have 3 bitter melons of different height. And I also already inserted the skewers. Some portions of fennel plant for additional greenery I also prepared. But the main characters of this arrangement will be mushrooms. These king oyster mushrooms. Maybe I will use only 2 or even 1 of them. Then some other, they're called black oyster mushrooms. And all of these mushrooms I got from my local Chinese store. And the last one, these seafood mushrooms, a little bunch of those small mushrooms. Maybe I will use only a portion of this. So, but the mushrooms will be the major feature of this arrangement. Also, I will use some pre-soaked moss to cover the spaces between vegetables and mushrooms. And finally, I will use this vase. It's in a boat form vase. I already lined it up with some plastic right there and with soaked foam. So I can now start inserting vegetables and mushrooms. So it's a pretty large, almost 2 feet long vessel or tray or vase or container. You can call it either way, but it's a nice and it's a real wood. So let's start doing our arrangement. First I will start with the moss and cover the corners because nothing can be inserted in the corners. Well, I finished my mushroom arrangement and it came out very nice. I really like the moss, how it plays its role, providing a texture, a color, and also filling those holes. And mushrooms are just gorgeous, especially these small ones. And the king oyster mushrooms are very stout and important, look very important. And the bitter melon provide a nice backdrop for the arrangement, and fennel greenery and bok choy all place it their role in this arrangement, and it turns to be very nice. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like my surreal mushroom arrangement, and I will see you in the next video.